Okay, let's do an example of let's do some conversion examples using our little stair step here. Okay, so I'm gonna come up with a number. Let's do 1, 4, 3.2. All right, let's start off at, let's do grams. And let's take this to milligrams. Okay, so first thing I do, I look at where I'm starting. First place I am starting is grams. So I'm going to start here at the base unit because remember, those are just liters, meters, grams, all of our units without any prefix. So I'm starting here at grams at our base unit and I'm going to milligrams. So I'm going to milli down here. All right, now what I do is I'm going down the stairs because I'm going from grams to milligrams. So I go 1 step, 2 step, 3 steps down. So another way to do this is count the hills. So 1, 2, 3. All right, so what that means for my number here. So I'm going to rewrite it down here so I have room to work. 143.2. All right, so I'm going to start here with my decimal point. And I'm going to move my decimal point whatever direction I'm going on the stairs. In this case, I'm going down the stairs, which means I'm going to move to the right, or at least my right. So I'm going to move this decimal piece over. 1, 2, 3. So this is my new spot. So I'm going to get rid of this decimal right here. And so now I've got these 2 blank spaces. So what I need to do with those is I'm going to fill those in with zeros. So the new number I now have is 143,200. I have 143,200 milligrams. Don't forget to put that unit down. If you don't put the unit down, you're not going to get points for it.